Hey guys, I'm Gafri. This channel is about hula hooping and this is a tutorial for a 360 turn with X cross weave. Okay, so if you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, then stay with me through this video and I'll explain you everything. So, in the beginning, let me just explain shortly what is the X cross weave, because maybe you haven't seen the tutorial. You can find it on my channel, so I'm not going to be explaining the technique on how it works and how to do it. If you want, you can find the link in the description for the tutorial. But this is the X cross weave, something that I've invented during my flow sessions, like, going through my favorite tricks, and out of a sudden, I've noticed I can perform the weave in 2 separate parts and also in 4 separate parts, because I can turn my body and continue this motion. Either I want to go towards the right or towards the left. Okay, so I'm staying here and going back and going back. Okay, so basically what you need to achieve this one, like 360 turn with the X cross weave, is the X cross weave. So if you haven't tried it yet, check the link in my description of this video and check the tutorial that I've recorded, like a full tutorial of the X cross weave. Shortly speaking, when you perform a weave, you go in one direction, like you are being placed in between 2 narrow walls, like a corridor, and you want to direct your hoop inside this corridor. Okay, so imagine now that you split one corridor in 2 different ones in diagonal away from your body towards the right, and then switch towards the left. So you have like 2 weaves going on here. Okay, it is also possible, like as a curiosity, as an additive to this tutorial, that you can go on the right side of your body away from your body and then do the switch. Maybe it's easier here, and go on the left. Okay, and then go on the right, and in both sides you go forward. Okay, so this is the trick, that you do this twist, this turn up, and then I go in diagonal, one direction and the other. Okay, so go on, have fun, play with it, go in the X cross weave and then try the full 360 turn. Either you're going towards the left or towards the right. You will be simply like changing the position of your body towards the hoop. Imagine these 4 guidelines in the X cross and enjoy it. Okay, if you like this video, of course you know what to do. Leave me some sign of your presence here, like button, subscribe to receive all the tutorials that I'm recording here. There is a list of 30 tutorials, so I see you in the next one.